Hello everyone, I'm Souberi Chakroborty and I'm back with yet another very interesting story. Today, 5th of January, on the occasion of National Birds Day, I'm going to read to you a very interesting story that relates with birds. Let us see what our story is. The name of our story is Bounty's Singing Birds. It's written by Sintanao Sidavne. It's illustrated by Nivong Senshankon and it is translated by Sanjana Khubchandani. Let us listen to the story. Bounty's home is near the forest. There are birds all around that sing beautiful songs. Coo, coo, sing the birds. Bounty sits and listens to the birds sing with joy. Every day his father takes one bird to the forest to help catch other birds. He catches the birds one by one and brings them all home. Bounty's home is filled with birds. But after some time, instead of singing, they sigh sadly. One day, Bounty wakes up to see that none of his birds is singing. He tries to find ways to make them happy and sing again. He feeds them rice, but they don't eat any of it. What happened to my birds? He asks them. Do you want to go back to the forest? Bounty decides to talk to his father. Bounty and his father take the birds back to the forest and set them free. As the birds fly away, they look back at Bounty with a smile. The next morning, Bounty hears all the birds singing happily on a tree next to his home. Coo, coo. Hope you all enjoyed listening to the story as much as I enjoyed reading the story to you. This story is one of my personal favorites, where in a subtle manner it explains the importance of caring for the creatures we share this biodiversity with. Birds are living beings as well. They have a home as well, a community, and a chores to do as well. Let us be a little sensitive and thoughtful towards these creatures. As Mr. Lester Brown said, we have not inherited this earth from our forefathers. We have borrowed it from our children. Let's give them the right thought and show them the right methods and ways to live their lives.